Cut me a deal if I buy all these super books?
Yeah.
Sure. What are you thinking?
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to
hit some garage sales!
Morning.
Morning. $10.
Morning. How are you?
Oh, well, yeah, if Mom wants to take over here when we get ready to move on, I'll help you with that part.
Yeah. Let me go grab that in the pot. Yeah.
Hey, Bella. Bella, no.
Odd books of Blu-ray. What you got, boy? Huh?
Dad, I
Snipe
know.
it. Did you pick this out?
Yeah. Daddy, I know what these are made of. Those are made of car red, like brake lights.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. The different kinds of rocks and stuff. Can you get it?
What are you gonna do with it? It's just like decoration stuff, buddy. That ain't really rocks.
You're okay?
I am good. We got 3 bags here.
3, 6, 7, 8.
Here you go, ma'am. Here's your 3 bags. I can help you here, sir.
$2.50.
$2.50? Okay.
1950? No, sorry.
50 cents is your change.
21.
All right, thank you.
Sorry, I missed one.
Main corner. Got a broken sword.
you.
You guys have any more action figures or video game stuff or anything?
I don't know. What?
Guys have any more action figures or video games or
Whatever
cards or
toys
anything?
would be in bags out there.
Okay.
I know a man just bought a bag full of them, so
Did he?
he might have bought them all.
That's what I was
Yeah, the guy that bought all the tanks and that.
Ooh, it's getting hot. Getting hot, boy. Huh? What is it? The original what? Perplexus. Yeah, we gotta see how much it is.
The serving tray and the hamburger presses. She wouldn't take no less for. She said, no, you can leave it there.
Okay, bye. Hold on, guys. Old people music. We're not listening to that.
Alright, we got this figure and that thing.
How much?
$1.
$1.org. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Come on. You play with him.
Doesn't say, does it?
Pikachu. Pika. Super books.
You got $3 a piece right here.
That's just one whole thing for Oh, yeah, $3. Yes, thank you.
It's early.
It is.
Cut me a deal if I buy all these super books.
Sure. What are you thinking?
$10.
Sold.
Cool.
I'm actually thrilled that you're buying those. That makes me happy.
All right. You guys have any video game stuff? Pokemon cards, action figures?
Yeah, Pokemon
I
cards.
think,
Do you?
well, not for in the yard sale, honey. We had some video games all sold earlier.
Did it?
Yeah, we've had people come in since like 7 o'clock.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we weren't even set up, we're still getting stuff out of boxes.
Got a bag you can help you out there?
There you go.
It's a little easier to carry.
Yep. Definitely. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you. Brenda, do you want these out?
I guess. I meant to show them to him and I forgot about it. So maybe get the tapestry on the okay.
How much are the sweatshirts?
The sweaters are $5 each.
$5 each?
Yes, Well, but that's the problem.
Do you have a table and shoes for sale? Like for,
No, we already
a
sold
high
it.
bar, kitchen set.
That one.
That's a bar, yeah.
Yeah,
That's the bar with the pieces.
Okay.
yeah, we already sold a table last up in the chairs,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
And then that's a farm
Got a
table.
bedroom. I got a granddaughter that's moving out already. Pots are so big here. Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Did you do 5 shirts for 20?
Sure.
Okay. There you go.
You want a bag?
Should be alright.
All right.
Don't even have any old video game stuff or anything like that, do you?
Not video games. I have VHSs, I have DVDs.
Okay.
I don't know where do you know where any of the VHSs and DVDs and stuff are? Have they been brought up yet?
What
I don't know.
about-
They're
can bring 'em
not.
up.
They're not games though. I know
Yeah.
I don't have any games.
What
but
about records?
Nope, no records. Just VHS tapes and
Sports
cassette
cards, anything like that?
no sports cards.
Okay.
Are we
Alright.
a disappointment to you?
No. Just asking, you never know.
Tell me what that is.
It's just a GoPro. I film myself
yes.
going to garage sales and then I put it on YouTube.
Yeah, cool.
People like to watch
Yeah,
it.
they
And I
do
like
like
doing
to
it.
watch. Yeah.
Yeah. What's up, guys? Shadjuice here. Getting back from hitting some garage sales on another Friday. Today I went out to Hebron, Kentucky to a community sale. It took a while to get over there because the main bridge has been repainted, so they were down to 1 lane. So I still got over there about 20 minutes before it started, but they said people were hitting them at 7 o'clock when they were opening their doors. So I did find some stuff. Let's get to it. I actually found a big lot of Superbook Explorers and just Superbook DVDs. They're all brand new. The bigger ones were priced at $1. There was 35 altogether. I offered them $10 and she was happy to get rid of them. So I'm thinking at least $100 on a $10 investment. And all these are sealed and these are actually sealed too. So not a bad deal for $10. I think this was off camera. I picked up these 2 fishing poles. The poles look really old. This is a JC Higgins reel. I did look that one up. That's not worth much and it's in rough condition. I don't know much about these reels. There's like, it's like rusted out. It looks like they find these in the lake somewhere or something. I don't know. But we got this one. And this one has a Fluger Supreme reel. Look at the this is all metal right there. So I don't know, man. Anybody fishing experts out there? I know the reels ain't worth much, and I don't know nothing about these poles really. They look like junk to me. But both for $1, I couldn't pass it up. Picked up this old Drew Barrymore movie called Gun Crazy. I've never seen it. This is back in the younger days. Check out that fresh mullet right there with the spikes. Check it out. Young Drew Barrymore with her, what's that, a bowl cut or something? Crazy, man. Always liked Drew Barrymore though. She was cool. She seems like she's a celebrity, but she's down to earth. I follow her now on Instagram, I think. Picked up this JBL Go 2. It's a Bluetooth. Actually, Mikey picked this up and handed it to me, which was pretty cool. That's my boy finding me some stuff. That's the only thing I really bought there. It's priced at $250. It's about 25 bucks shipped. I might just keep it myself. We'll see. Picked up some cool like crew sweatshirts. This is not my area of expertise, but I'm sure somebody would enjoy this Porsche one. It's the XL. Says Porsche there, right there. Has to be worth something, right? They wanted $5 a piece. I got her to give me 6 of them for, or was it 5 of them for 20? Never heard of this brand here, but the colorway is cool. It's a Travel Smith. It's another XL, 52% wool. Somebody like that, right? And I think the rest of these were polos. Ralph Lauren. This one is 100% wool, right? Yeah. Size large. Oh, this one was pretty cool. Got the bird on it. Not sure how old these are or not. I don't know. I'm not an expert on clothes, but these seem like a good deal to me. Really nice and heavy. And we got another one here. It's just red with black stripes. Got the little horse there. Nothing crazy there. That one's 100% cotton. And the only other thing I picked up was this Pink Label Festivals of the World Irish Dance Barbie. They wanted 8, got her down to 5. It goes for about 45 new, but it's like new open box. I'm thinking maybe 25, 30 on it. But yeah, it's gonna be a little short video today, guys. Garage door there. Appreciate you guys watching. Tonight is the reseller rally. I don't know when this video is gonna go out, probably in a couple weeks. But we're going out on Friday night to the get together, and then tomorrow is the reseller rally on the boat. So can't wait to meet everybody. Thanks for watching. Peace.